Okay, now I will fix the exhaust. I don't like how it sits, so can figure something out. I have this laying around, thinking of maybe chopping it in half and use one of them instead of that glass back, because it's smaller, doesn't take that much room, and I think can fix so it goes out on the original slot there. I think that will be nice. We'll see. So now I have cut it up, and if I lay it there, I think that will look awesome. Okay, now ready for some paint. And now on to the rest of the exhaust. As you can see, it's seen better days, but I'll try to fix it, save some money. So now I have to weld this little shit, make it a bit stronger. See. Okay. Now it's good enough. Put some paint on and yeah, keep on going. Okay, so these are painted and ready. Now it looks like I have to take out the heater boxes as well. Try to refurbish them as well. So try to pick them out. Okay, I have never done this on a Type 3 before, but can't be too different from a bug, right? Looks like one 10mm here and these two and two on the block. Yeah, and a heat wire, and it should be good to go. So we'll see. Okay. So there's the heat wire. Need to disconnect that one, and there you can see the two 13 millimeters. Okay, one out, one to go. Well, that wasn't too bad. Okay, on the left side here, this little bolt is on a little tight spot because of this engine mount bar is in front of it, but use a vice grip or something, I think, and see if I can get it out. Okay, that was easier than I thought. Sweet. As always, when you work on old Volkswagens, bolts will break. That's okay. One broke, one did loosen. That's so both went out pretty easy, actually. So now I'll see if I can manage to save them. It doesn't look that bad, actually. So cross my fingers. Left side looks like it's just in time, so I can manage to save it. We'll see. Okay, the right side is a bit worse, but I think I can fix this too. So now everything is painted and ready to be put back together again. One down. Okay, now the exhaust is on. I think it turned out nice. Okay, so that's here how it sounds like.